Semoe, we're sipping someone, can't quit a malaika. Wamabaya kade, pitting our way. We're about to meet there, who can't go be said. When you can tell a robula, every soul of your suma, Kumanga, Mukano. Follow me, eh? Look at me. And don't get my dates and I'm moving. She but I never put an end on Mujono and I'm way. What much did you tell? Mama the queen, yeah. Thank you for supporting my friend. Nangezale. Naenga bambi. One thing I noticed, just to us with the queen, ngasina na kuyimba. Wandiko mukono. Emikono ebiri woti. Sabira mukono gwange emikono ebiri woti mukono. Nera bita gyo kikole lugogo. Abantu bayimbe ne bakola byonna. Naye kisinga omukulu okimanyi woba yagala shiba wanika. Woba tewanyisa tomwagala ng'oli wano. Gamba Katonda. Tusaba Katonda Otubula shiba Boluti Atukaira abalongo Tugende maso nawe DJ Kuba Ayudio Ay Woman wanika moshi Tuwala wano mukwana lagi Wole peto mbuta I love you so much. Thank you. Mama ya kutuwagira ngabambi nachi.
Why
Boy, you are all I got. I'm a Jessica. Fire on me. On the top. Now I'm getting over. Freezing. I know thank you together, myself. But festival didn't come. What is festival in a Tony Bacola? Kende takabani ifasboda tadi wako siringa muri muda katera mubera fane venesa ira chimuri jagaranga wende yagala matiranga wende matira oba wajja ku Afrika na wanika wote atenga wazee lugogoje washimba kola moto oli wakabe aje Adisa Shimba Holy Semisia. I love you so much. We are one family for what? Together. Everybody let me see you. One, two, three,
Family or group looking for a cool, serene atmosphere at the adequate venue for a day out for the best in entertainment and leisure? Kelly's Travelers Inn is here for you. Kelly's Travelers Inn is located at Kubiri in Nama Sub-County, Mukono District, 3 miles from the heart of Mukono along Mukono-Kayunga Road, just 17 miles from Meta Golf Club and only 26 miles from Uganda Golf Club in Kampala. Kelly's Travelers Inn offers the best choice for revelers looking for undisturbed peace, quiet and rest. Get the rare opportunity to taste the feel of Uganda's traditional dishes, Orient, European and other delicacies prepared by the best chefs. Our accommodation rates are among the best in town and designed to suit our clients' purse with the prime objective of attraction for a second visit. We accept online bookings for accommodation, specially organized meals conforming to your choice of dishes, parties including birthdays, weddings, get-togethers, graduation and others. Don't hesitate to come and try our history-making hospitality, bed and breakfast, dinner, DSTV and free Wi-Fi, single and twin rooms meeting your preference. Kelly's Travelers Inn has a specially designed format to offer you a hideout in the city sensation and at the same time giving you comfort that ensures privacy away from the hustle and bustle of town.
Oli muzadde ng'okyalemereddwa ku ssomero kimu oyinza otwala omwana wo omwaka guno. Nsonga ki ekyakulemesezza? School fees bakusabye nnyingi? Olugendo lunene ng'ebyentambula bikyakalubye? Nandi ky'onoonya essomero erinaalabirira obulungi omwana wo? Okuviira ddala ku by'okusoma mu kibiina, okuzannya n'okutumbula ebitone, ekyokuddamu si kirala. Ly'essomero lya Prudence Junior School, Empoma Mukono lisangibwa ku luguudo oluva e Mukono okudda e Kayunga, nga wakayitako mu katawuni k'Ekisowera opposite n'Empoma Girls School. Prudence Junior School liri mu kifo kigazi bulungi era ekisirifu, ate nga lirina abasomesa abakugu ddala. Ebyokwerinda ku ssomero biri gguluggulu, ebyentambula babikolako anti emmotoka ezitambuza abaana weeziri. Essomero lya ddene boarding nga mu kaseera kano okuwandiisa abayizi kugenda mu maaso awo ku ssomero. Liwandiisa abayizi okuva ku daycare, nursery paka ku P7. Ebisale birungi ddala ng'abaana abava ewaka basasula emitwalo 3 gokka, ng'ate bo ab'ekisulo basasula emitwalo 6 gyokka. Abaana balya bulungi ne bakeera ku ssomero nga basanyufu. Gw'ayagala okuwandiisa omwana n'okumanya ebisingawo, kuba ku noti 7 noti 1 29 92 38 oba noti 773 noti 62 21. Prudence Junior School, tuwa omwana wo tumusomese, togenda kwejjusa.
Our dear parents, thank you for paying us school fees, and we still need your support because education is the key. May God bless you